Now let's explore the gyroid structure. Here, we have a hard tissue as an assembly with the internal cavity, which we will assign with gel support. For now, we'll focus on the hard tissue. The gyroid is an isotropic structure resembling small waves or springs. And here's how it looks. We have one material for the gyroid and another material for the background. We can also adjust the ratios between them. Each of them can be a custom material that was saved from the digital material function. Since it's a nonlinear mathematical equation, this slider is nonlinear as well. So 100 on this slider doesn't mean you'll have only agilis in the slice. You can rotate this structure and scale it up and down. There is also the option to add noise modulation. Use it to create hard tissue models like myocardium, with a complex gyroid inside and an outer agilis layer for significantly strengthening the overall structure.